Webflow AI Website Builder. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and type in webflow.com. In the top right corner, click Get Started. Enter your email address and click Continue. Then create a strong password and select Create Account. Fill in your first and last name. Then click Continue to proceed. Once you reach the dashboard, click the New Site button located at the center of the page. Choose the AI Site Builder option to begin creating your website. Select your website preference. For example, choose Personal Project, then give your project a name, for example, Alexander Site, then click Next. Provide a detailed prompt describing your website's purpose and features. When all finished, click Next button again. Define your preferred style by adjusting the layout and appearance. You can select a light, dark, or AI-suggested background theme, and customize the primary color by clicking the color range or using AI's suggested palette. Once you are satisfied with the design settings, click Generate.